helping customers with cross-platform testing. We are the pioneers and leaders of test automation. We are ZAPTEST. ZAPTEST proprietary technologies can help you write a single automated test script, then automatically generate test documentation and run against any environment. Here's a short demonstration of how it works. Take a snapshot of the application. Drag the automatically detected objects into the script, then parameterize the script with test data, and easily combine the script with any API call. Our script is ready. Let's convert it to a standard test documentation format, which you can save as RTF, doc, HTML, or upload to industry common ALM. The same script can now run against multiple environments in parallel using mRun technology, saving you time in script development and execution. When done, you can review and share the results. ZAPTEST also offers RPA, Robotic Process Automation, a solution that provides automation of operational processes within the company. It can even leverage scripts created for tests to the RPA operational execution as is. So how do we do it? Simple. ZAPTEST contains our proprietary one-script technology, which can automate against any UI-based application the same way a user does using visual object recognition. This changes the game in two ways. It tremendously reduces automation script development and maintenance time, and allows automation development from application mockups and video scenarios. So is ZAPTEST worth your investment? Come check out the ROI calculator. It reveals that compared to other tools, ZAPTEST is a game changer. It automates testing of any application UI and API cross-platform, meets any development schedule and any skill set, which results in a more optimized automation process. ZAPTEST is the ultimate solution for enterprise software automation. Thank you for using ZAPTEST.